Hi there, students. To daub. You could also use it as a noun, a daub, but the verb is more common. To daub, to paint something carelessly. To put something sticky or oily on a surface, but not in a regular, smooth way. To do it crudely. So he daubed the paint on the wall, splup, shlup, shlup. I'm thinking about a small child. You give them a big paintbrush and you give them some paint and they daub blup, 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 the paper. Okay, this is the idea of to daub. You could say there are dirty handprints daubed all over the wall, shpluk, shpluk, here and there. Okay, so we can use to daub, meaning to paint carelessly, a bad picture, or to make dirty with, to deface, if you like. So he daubed mud on his face to give the appearance of an Indian warrior. There was graffiti daubed all over the house, badly, crudely written, yeah, with no care to the lines, okay? So, daubs, either patches of something or something painted badly. You could probably use to daub as a joke about pictures. So the Prado Museum in Madrid is full of various daubs by various artists. So here you're making a joke saying the quality maybe is not very good. Okay, what about the origin of this? Well, let's look at it in various stages. There is a very old building technique called wattle and daub. With wattle and daub, you make a framework of sticks or twigs, and then you take handfuls of mud or clay and you cover the framework with the mud or the clay. If you like, you daub the clay onto the wattle. The wattle is the framework of the wooden framework, and the daub is the handfuls of mud and clay. So if you think about this, this is what I've been describing with to daub, with the kid's picture, or the dirty handprints, or the mud on the face. Okay, this word originally comes from Latin, from daubare, which is talking about to whitewash, to whiten, to paint with, to paint white with with calcium oxide or calcium hydroxide, whitewash. Okay, so to make white, and very often old wattle and daub buildings are then painted white. So your next question is formality. To daub, I would say this is a neutral word. Yeah, you could use it in a casual conversation to talk about a bad painting or smears or marks on a surface. Yeah, I also think you could use it in a formal document. There were daubs of paint on the wall, or there were daubs of paint on the carpet, and hence we had to change the carpet. Notice as well, to daub is a regular verb. Daub, daubed, only one B, daubing. Okay, so to daub, to paint carelessly, to slop paint on. I'm not sure slop is a real verb, but you understand what I mean. Or maybe smeared or covered with something dirty to make a surface dirty. My essay was daubed with thumbprints. The graffiti was daubed on the wall. It wasn't well done. Okay, so there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To Daub.